Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hey girlies! I'm super excited to film today's haul because it's not just a regular schmegular haul. Today is a celebratory milestone haul in my fitness journey, okay? So for the last 6 months, I have really been grinding, y'all. Like, I switched up my diet, the lifestyle changes, literally everything. So your girl, in 6 months, I have lost over 60 pounds and over 20 inches on my waist, bitch. I went from a size 14/16 to a size 4/6. So your girl has been fucking grinding. I got myself some new clothes because all the clothes that I have had for, you know, the last couple of years have been size large, extra large, sometimes XXL, and now your girl is about like a small medium. So I had to, you know, revamp the closet. Girl has been swimming in her clothes. I've been swimming in my jeans. Like, if you ever seen me in public and probably thought, girl, why are your pants so big? It's not, I'm not trying to do a baggy effect. They just didn't fit. Since I've been intentionally trying to lose weight, I didn't want to, you know, buy clothes that was only gonna fit for like a month or so, you know? So I finally waited. Here we are half a year later. We about to try on some new stuff. So everything in this box is low-key things that I have wanted for such a long time. Everything is from Revolve, girl. I'm gonna be honest with you, girl, Revolve a little bit expensive, low-key. It's a little expensive, but this is something special. This is a moment for me. I made my chonies in a little hoodie, so like we're just gonna stand right here and try everything on together. Some of you may remember that video that I filmed after I had my baby. Girl is happy now and your girl was happy then, but I'm definitely happier now because I feel a lot healthier. Girl, I'm being so for real when I say that like fitness low-key even changed. Like maybe the chemistry in my brain, girl, I don't know, I released something. So the first thing I want to try on, I'm the most excited for, and it's my new jeans. You know me, you know I love me a good pair of jeans, okay? These are from the brand Girlfriend. I got these in a size 30 because a lot of people were saying to size up. These are the Mika Girlfriend high-rise baggy wide leg jean. Premium denim, 100% cotton. See the mess that it takes for me to do my face? Like, why can't I just put my products up? Please fit, please fit, please fit. I don't want to have to send them back. They are definitely too big. Like, they're kind of cute in like a skater kind of way. Oh. Oh, the booty diminished. Girl, I never be looking at the reviews either, and I just order like my normal size. And the one time that I do, what do you guys think? Should I return them, get a smaller size, or should I just try to like rock this? Because honestly, I'm probably gonna put on weight like really soon because I started weightlifting. She in her weight training era, so like maybe I'll start getting a little bigger and they'll fit soon. Okay, let's go ahead and get into a top. When I saw this, I was like, oh my god, that's so cute. So here is the top. Like, that is so adorable. Is it even like focusing? Look at that, girl. I got my damn lipstick all over the shirt. Love that. This is cute. No, look at this, y'all. You don't have to wear a bra with it either. Hi. And I don't know, I kind of like how it looks with the jeans too. Like, this is kind of cute. I don't know what shoes I would wear. Definitely cannot wear this ensemble right now because, girl, it's 35 degrees outside. Definitely gonna have to save this for like 2 months from now. Next, what we got in here. This is from the brand Super Down. Okay, this just looks confusing. Let me just try it on. Oh, per bitch. I love how it's like a little bit longer right here with the right skirt, girl. This, ooh, the outfit is gonna be takeaway too. I ate, I win. Okay, we gotta try out some more clothes. I'm excited now. Look at my eyelash. How long has it looked like that? Like, I love the timing, how I was like, oh, I ate, I win. And then my fucking lash falls off. Like, no, you're not a baddie, it's fake. This is a dark purple midi dress. So this is the jade midi dress in the color dark purple from the brand L'Academy. I don't know about dark purple. It's definitely giving more of a like dark blue. It's giving royal. Oh, where am I going in this? I do wish it was more of a dark purple color. I don't know how it's coming across on camera for you guys, but for me, it's definitely blue. I feel like y'all can tell when something's up with me. Like, I stop uploading. I stop posting photos. I haven't posted a photo. Well, obviously recently I have, but on Instagram, I haven't posted a picture like showing my full body in like a year. And then I try to post a little something over the summer, but girl, it was photoshopped. Honestly disappointed in myself. This is from Revolve's own clothing brand in-house, I'm pretty sure. If you've been watching me for a long time, you know I used to love bandeaus and like my little tube tops. But I haven't worn those in years because I became super insecure about my arms. Like, girl, nobody cares if your arm has a little jiggle to it, okay? Like, there's nothing wrong with that. I absolutely love the fit of this dress, y'all. It fits so nice. And I don't know what they did, like the way they constructed this. Like, look, watch. What am I doing that you usually cannot do in maxi dresses? Move. Because, girl, you know you have to do this thing 24/7. I used to get all my maxi dresses from like Rue 21, and girl, they'd be falling down every 2 seconds. I ain't have nothing to really hold them up, but like I still don't, and it's staying. The little slit right there, yes, I'm about to fall. So both shoes that I'm gonna show you are from the brand Ray. Put them up. These are heels actually, and the other ones are boots. Look at these, you know, just some classics, you know, everybody needs these. No, you don't, but like just a staple heel, you know, and it's a kitten heel, so I could walk in it. Because still at 27 years old, I cannot walk in heels. Girl, let's see. I think the fact that my toes are very much undone is throwing it off a little bit. Okay, pose. Girl's giving RuPaul. So if you're trying to have a little twin moment, girl, get this. This is the one. This is my brown leather, girl. Gosh. When I saw this, I instantly fell in love with it. I think this is so beautiful. Look, you guys, look at this dress. And there's like a little slit in the back. So this time, this is from the brand Lovers and Friends LA. Cool, baby. We didn't come to play in this one. We did not come to play in this one. Girl, it's all the way to the floor. And you can see it staying up. Somebody invite me out. Somebody invite me out. I'm trying to go out. I'm trying to go out. I'm trying to go out. Girl. Girl, did something just move? Ah. I know some of y'all are wondering, girl, how the fuck did you lose 60 pounds in 6 months? If you follow me on TikTok and Instagram, you already know your girl actually released an ebook about a week ago. Girl, I give you an eating schedule, recipes, lifestyle changes, workouts, videos to go with the workouts so we could do it together. We got a Discord where we're always talking and they're supporting each other, which by the way, you don't have to buy the ebook to be in the Discord. You could just join it. I already have over 1,000 girlies on the plan, and so many of you guys are telling me how that shit is making you sweat. I've had so many women already tell me how good they feel on the inside, and that's all that matters to me. So if you want to check that out, let me put that down below. Okay, back to the clothing. I just had to go ahead and plug that real quick because girl, the body yaddy yaddy didn't come from nowhere. And no, I did not take fucking Ozempic, because so many people have been commenting like, is it Ozempic? Does this look like Ozempic? Does this look like Ozempic? I have a feeling this next outfit, which might be the last one, I have a top, I have the boots, and I have a skirt. I have a feeling this one's about to look bomb. Okay, let's try it. I feel so fucking good right now, like, and I feel like I'm on a high right now because a bitch has felt so bad for so long. It's not about like the appearance only. I've literally felt so bad on the inside from just like eating bad. Like when I used to joke around, say like, oh, I eat like a whole dozen Krispy Kreme donuts in one sitting, or I go to Crumble and I'll get like a 12-pack and just like slam them. I'm not joking. I had so many people telling me, eat whatever you want throughout your pregnancies, and then I continued those eating habits after. But yeah, I gained weight because I was pregnant, but like, girl, I ended up gaining more weight after I gave birth. Like the number was still going up. Okay, let's go ahead and try this on. This is by the brand Song of Style. I'm over the cropped hoodies. I want something that's gonna actually be like a full-length shirt. I don't think you're ready to see this skirt from Super Down. Look. Girl, I got me a little mini leather skirt. I don't know if it's leather or pleather. Not leather. So let's try it on. The top, I like it, but I feel like it's a little too like, is it my boobs? I don't know. Like, I like the top, but I think maybe I wish it was a little bit tighter. But the skirt, yes. Like it's a mini skirt, but my butt is not like pouring out from underneath, so I love that. This might actually be the first time that I find a mini skirt that actually fits properly. I don't know if it's because I'm tall or if companies make clothing for people that are like 5'2" and under only. I wanted to see what the skirt would look like with this top, and I love it. Okay, we need to make this into like a brat style outfit though. Let's try on the boots. When I saw these on the website, I was like, okay, that heel is kind of funky. I'm either gonna like really look like a bomb ass bitch or I'm gonna twist my ankle. Cause look at the heel. Like, why is it low-key like tipping? I've always wanted some leather boots like this. Like, I've always wanted these. Every time I would get boots like this, my calves would always be swimming in them. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I've been like working out my legs a lot recently. So I feel like I finally like built up some muscle in there. So I really hope that these fit because like I said, I've never been able to wear boots like this because they've never fit properly around the calf. Like I'm really just concerned that like this part is not gonna fit and it's gonna ruin the whole boot because I don't want them to look all slouchy, you know? Hi, how are you? Oh my god, girl. And look, I could walk in them even backwards. Oh girl, these about to eat my Instagram though. The demon's trying to step in and steal my shine. These boots about to get sick of me. I ain't letting y'all take a break the rest of this winter. Y'all gonna be at my feet every day. But that's everything that I got from Revolve. So if you guys like anything that I showed you, all the links will be in the description below. I'm so happy with everything I got and how everything fit. I had a Pinterest board full of all of these like items or like similar stuff. And I told myself, okay, once I reach my goal, we gonna be trying out a new style. Girl, it just feels good to feel good again. Like, yes, it shows on the outside, but the inside, girl, like the amount of times I have had fucking mental breakdowns because I could not keep up with my daughter. But that's ridiculous. She's 2 years old and I can't keep up with a 2-year-old. I'm in my 20s still. That's how I knew that I needed to like kick myself in the ass and switch it up. I really had to like switch shit the fuck up, and all of that shit is in my ebook. If you're interested in that, like I said, I'm not gonna sit here and like explain everything right now. But a lot of lifestyle changes, diet changes, exercise, and now we're here. And the way, like, obviously, like I said, it changed the physical, but just the way it like helped my mental health. And you guys know it's been something that I've been like kind of struggling with on and off. Whatever's being released whenever I'm working out, like I just feel so clear-headed these days. My relationship with Anthony is so much better because I've genuinely, like, I don't share so much with you guys, I feel like, anymore. I feel like I share like story times, but I feel like I don't get too personal because I've kind of like shelled myself off for personal reasons. But like, let me be a little honest right now. I feel like me and Anthony's relationship started taking a really big like dip for a while because I was so unhappy within myself. I was protruding that energy onto everyone else, and if I don't love me, I used to be able to do this shit in the past, which is so weird how everything changed. But like, I used to like neglect myself. Not saying this is a good thing, this is bad. I used to neglect myself and still be able to love others and show others everything that I wish I could show myself, right? I can give others everything I wasn't giving myself, and I can't do that anymore. So I feel like because of how I was feeling deep down within myself, it was affecting him. Because bitch, it takes two people to be in a relationship, right? It can't be one-sided, and I can't just have him trying and I'm over here just like hating myself in the corner. Yeah, there's been a lot of big changes in the last couple months. Maybe I'll open up a little bit more in another video soon, but yeah, I guess that's it for today's video. Check out the ebook if you're interested in, you know, starting your fitness journey as well. I share with you guys all the recipes of everything that I'm eating currently, everything that I ate during my weight loss journey, because I'm not trying to lose weight anymore now. I'm actually weight training. But if you want like a personalized plan that is going to work, I got you. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you all in another video. Bye.